Welcome, Real Family Vloggers. Today is going to be a chill Memorial Day 2026 vlog. So I haven't vlogged in a while, so I really want to get more vlog content this summer because last summer I did not get a lot of summer vlogs. So at 4 o'clock, we're going to Aunt Gina's to have pizza, spend time together. I might bring my iPad to play Lowe's World if anyone wants to join. So it's gonna be all 7 cousins, 6 plus me. All 7 cousins are gonna be at Aunt Gina's. So we'll take you with us and you won't miss a thing. And check out past Memorial Day weekend vlogs if you have not yet. Look how wet it is out. So no swimming this year. And before we went swimming in Memorial Day weekend, check out that vlog if you have not yet. Okay, we're officially going to Aunt Gina's right now after Dad gets in the car. So we'll take you with us so you won't miss a thing once again. This is going to be a low-key Memorial Day weekend. Look how rainy it is out. And it's 50 degrees. It's going to be warm late this year because the weather has been mad at us this year. Could have been snowing, but oh well. Alright, Dad, what are we doing?
We're on our way to Aunt Gina's. Are you ready to see the cousins?
Yes, sir.
Okay, nice. Let's do it. Tanglewood Road. Here we come.
Yep.
Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning.
We're listening to Malcolm Todd. Check them out. We're here.
Okay. Vloggers know this residence.
Hello, Monty.
Hey, Papa. Hey. Good doggy. Good doggy.
Hi, Joseph. Joseph, right here. Hello, James.
All right, what do we got, Anna?
That's squishy dumplings. That's what Marielle's gonna get.
Oh, is it gonna be a glitter one?
I hope I get like the glitter one.
I've seen videos of people getting very upset when they're not glitter.
3, 2, 1.
Hey! Wow, look at that. I wasn't expecting that.
Nice. Look at Squishy, I have one. I dreamt I got one last night in Montauk. Everybody say to the vlog. You're playing Happy Sack. Say to the vlog. Outside checking out the pool, and Monty is playing outside. There he is. Okay, we got a blanket. Who is that for?
For Grandma.
Aww.
For Grandma from Grandma. Grandma made it for Grandma.
Wow. Grandma made her own blanket. Okay, so Aunt Gina and I are going to get the pizza together. Goddaughter and godmother. Guess what this license plate says? Fa! Okay, we're at the pizza place, pizza restaurant. What is it called?
It's actually called Our Little Italy. Our Little Italy. Our Little Italy.
All right. In the rain. Pepsi.
Rainy Memorial Day pizza.
Yummy pizza. And garlic knots. And Uncle Jim's salad. Check out Shoe Artistry, Aunt Gina's Instagram, where she finds magical art. We'll put a picture of it right here. Check out this new floor. I've never seen this before. And a new couch for the basement. And the TV is replaced.
Alright, pizza's here. Solitaire game is moving along. What up? What up? What up? I think I'm going for an olive slice, Mama. What are you getting? Traditional? Nice. Got a nut? I love garlic nuts. What are you getting? Nothing. Nothing.
There's enough seats for all the kids to sit in the dining room. On the adult.
We have some soda going on here. We got the pizza going on here. Pepperoni. That meatball or sausage?
Meatball.
Oh, so good. So good. I'm going olive. Which olive slice should I take? Ooh, there's like a half olive, half meatball. Maybe I should do that. I'm gonna do that. Alright.
Meryl, where are we going?
To Ralph's Ices.
Yeah. Alright, we're going Ralph's. Yeah.
Joseph would remember.
Alright, we are at Ralph's in the parking lot. They're so full. Here we are, Ralph's. Oh my god. So, after you were at Dad's house, Clyde is
Oh my goodness. What is
Alright, Memorial Day 2026 is in the books. We had a great time. I learned how to crochet. It's something I like to do now. And I continued on a string bracelet. I got Ralph's. I had pizza. I started an onion grub steakhouse in Minecraft, but I made on ChatGPT. So you want to come back for some more vlogs. So please like, subscribe, comment, turn on post notifications, and don't forget to ring the bell. Bye!